We're here at Shroud Cay still. We've been here about 3 days, and a new motorboat just pulled in and took a mooring ball right next to us, and he motored over in his dinghy and brought us fish. Look at that. It is 3 pounds, I'd say, of fresh Mahi Tuna, ice cold. Ice cold. It feels so good. But he said his wife caught it on a fishing trip and they've just got plenty, so he brought it over to share. And I am so excited for fresh fish. And I'm gonna make up a little bit of stir fry. I got some fresh rice here that I just cooked, hot and steamy. And I've got cabbage diced up and ready to go. And we're gonna fry some fish on the jet boil out in the cockpit to keep it fresh smelling inside here. And some fresh fried rice. It's just gonna be fantastic. So excited. Alright, look at that beautiful piece of tuna. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be amazing.
You guys, look how beautiful. This is where we're anchored here at Shroud Cay. It is a beautiful day. Blue skies, crystal blue water. We're probably gonna go over there to the sandbar later today after we have lunch. Randall is cooking up this fish, so that should be pretty tasty.
Doesn't take much to cook cabbage. You basically just want to get it good and hot, and that's it. You don't want to make it all wilty and overcooked. Right there, it's already halfway done. You see how it kind of changes color just a little bit? Well on its way. Cabbage loves pepper. Loves pepper. Should I save you a little rice? I wasn't sure if this is your kind of deal or not. Way more than I intended to put in there. I was trying to do it backhanded, not getting away in the camera. Put in the fish, not the water. Actually, could have even cooked more fish, huh? To go with this, as much as we have. Cook some more up real quick. It wouldn't take much. Wow, that's good. After the first week and our fresh food was gone, we went a couple of weeks eating just canned and box food, and now to have some fresh cabbage and even better, some fresh fish again is just heaven. It's so much different than eating something out of a can. This is just delightful. So good. Usually tuna is not like the first choice of fish I would pick off the menu. You usually get like a flounder, a halibut or something like that, but fresh like this is just amazing. This is the best tuna I've ever had. At least in a long time. It's really, really awesome. It's so good and perfect in this stir fry. So good. Thank you, Joe, for the fresh fish. This is just incredible.
We knew we were leaving Shroud Cay in the morning, and we wanted to spend every minute enjoying this incredible anchorage. We went swimming right from the boat, we explored the reef, and we spent hours on that incredible crescent beach just relaxing in the warm sun and swimming inside the tiny little lagoon. We can easily say this has been the best day of our entire lives. We couldn't imagine being in a more perfect place, but the Bahamas still has so much more to offer us. Tomorrow we're heading further south to Little Cistern Cay, and we can't wait to see what adventures we will find there.